In our lesson today, we are going to be looking at these tutorial questions 2020-2021 session, and these questions are on elementary, differential, and integral calculus. Now let's take a look at this question. It says, number 1, evaluate the limb as x approaches minus 1 of x power 4 minus 3x squared minus 7x plus 11. How do we approach this question? This question is a question that deals with limits, and there are different ways we can approach limit problem. One of the methods we can use to solve limit problem is direct substitution, and that is what I am going to be using in this case. So first of all, we write the equation and the question given to us, the limb as x tends to minus 1 of x power 4 minus 3x power 2 minus 7x plus 11, and this is going to be equals to direct substitution means take this your minus 1 and plug it directly into this value for x. So in x power 4, we'll write it as minus 1 power 4, then minus 3 multiplied by x squared. X is replaced by minus 1, so put our minus 1 all squared, then minus 7 multiplied by minus 1, then plus 11. Now in this case, now what do? We simply evaluate. Now minus 1 power 4 will give us 1. If the power is an even power, the negative sign will turn to plus. Okay, now likewise here, since we're having an even power, the minus sign here will turn to plus. Then plus times minus will give us minus. Then 3 times 1 will give us 3. Then of course we have minus 7 times minus 1, that gives us plus 7. Then plus 11. Then minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 7 plus 11. And if we simplify this, minus 2 plus 7 is 5. 5 plus 11 is 16. And this is the answer to this question. I hope you followed through this explanation. Let me know what you think about this solution, and I will see you in my next lesson.